Hello and welcome at Gefen stand at X30's S14 days. My name is Wojciech Dworaczek and I'm the sales manager for Gefen for EMEA region. And I think you may know Gefen brand. What we are doing is we are supplying products for signal management. So everything that goes with extension, sending signals to longer distances, switching, splitting, matricing, converting, basically everything what you have to do with the audio, video and control signals in a professional environment, professional installations. So currently here at S14 we are showcasing a couple of products. First and most important one, of course, is our AV over IP range of products. So basically you use our senders and receivers for sending video, audio and control signals through local area network. And based on that you can build a matrix with multi-format inputs, outputs, and you can switch freely between those. And the number of inputs and outputs can be pretty much unlimited. So you are getting great flexibility in terms of creating, as I said, multi-format matrix. And not only that, but also you can independently switch and matrix switch all the signals that we are putting into the system. So we can send separately audio, video, control like IR, like RS-232, like USB signal as well. So basically you get 5 separate matrices in one local area network installation. Second product which we are showcasing here is something brand new. This is our new line of retail splitters, as we call it. So you may say it's a regular HDMI splitter, but the benefit you are getting is also an intelligent CEC commands issuing. So what you can do is that you can make sure in retail application where you have 20, 30 or more screens that should show the same content, you can make sure that even if customer coming to a retail shop and changing something with the display, like switching it off or changing to different HDMI input, the splitter will make it go back to the previous configuration. So there is no need to have someone standing there all the time with the remote and making sure that the screen is still on and still showing the right HDMI input. We have our logic built into the splitter to do the same. And also what we can do is that we can have more than one source connected to the splitter, and you can be sure that even if one of those sources fails, the other one will start automatically be transferred to the screen, so you are making sure that the content will be always there. So this is what we are showing here, but of course our portfolio is much bigger. We have all the kinds of extenders, splitters, switchers, extenders over copper, over fiber, wirelessly. We are coming up with a new line of cables, especially the ones with HDMI 2.1 compatibility. So there are more exciting news at Gefen, and I hope that we see you again at more of these live shows as we go back to this new normal. Thank you very much, and stop by at Gefen booth. Thank you.